Dear Wiseman Fraternity, I am Wiseman V.S. Radhakrishnan of India area, a candidate for Wiseman International President-elect 2026-27. Since 1993, I have been a member of Wiseman's Club of Koilon East. Over 32 years, served as Club Secretary to Area President, focused on strengthening clubs, growing membership and serving communities. I formed 17 Wiseman's clubs and the club's membership was 136 for 6 years. After retirement from government service, I shifted to my native place and formed and joined in Wiseman's Club of Muthuli, having 31 members. As district governor in 2003-04, formed 11 new clubs and contributed 55 Paul William Alexander Fellows. Best District Governor in India area, received the Elmacro Awards. As International Service Director of Endowment Fund in 2014-15, proposed and secured approval for double PWIF and became first DPWIF in YMI. As Area President in 2024-25, started 95 new clubs and inducted 2,841 members. Received the award for the Best Area President of Wiseman International. Active member of Kollam YMCA since 1994. In association with the Kollam YMCA, executed 4 TOF projects worth Rs 55 lakhs. Attended the last 9 international conventions. Served in the area cabinet 3 times. Founder President of Pala Management Association. I am a postgraduate in political science and a retired officer in the Ministry of Finance, Government of India. My family, wife Rohini is a member of Wiseman's Club of Koilon East. Son Rohit is a charter member of Vice Service Club of Canberra, Australia, formed by me. Dr. Radhi Srijit, member of Wiseman's Club of Trivandrum Tower. My priorities and vision. Membership growth of 5,000 in 2027-28 and 10,000 overall in the 3-year term 2026-29. Strengthen communication from international president to club presidents. Fellowships and initiatives. Active involvement, then better attendance. Image building through community service. Strengthen collaboration with the YMCA and form new clubs wherever YMCAs are active. Ensure stronger contribution to international projects. I reaffirm my full support for the mission of Wiseman International and pledge enthusiastic service with the Christian values, loyalty to the movement, and commitment to global partnership with the YMCA. I am honored to receive apostolic blessings from Holy Father late John Paul II. I am nominated by 6 regional directors from 3 areas. Less talk and more action. Please support me. Thanking you, viewers in Wisdom.